Hey YouTubers, I have a question. Me and my friend are on the phone right now discussing good VaJayJay. And she laughing, but anyways, I said that if you are done eating a VaJayJay and you burp afterwards, that means it's some good JJ. But she, on the other hand, thinks that burping is nasty. I don't know if you can hear her or not. She's on speakerphone, but it's kind of low. It's kind of like 3:52 in the morning. But anyways, so yeah, y'all let me know. Is it a good thing to burp after eating JJ, or is it a bad and gross, disgusting, negative thing to burp after eating JJ? I still think it's good. I don't care what you think. No. Anyways,
it's
peace.
It's okay to eat it, but to burp after eating it is something. It's something totally off. Something wrong with
I don't care what she says. I do not care. Cause that's too personal. Never mind, guys. Just answer the question. Bye bye.